Hey guys, it's Ali here at Paramus Hyundai. Everyone knows to keep their hands on the steering wheel when driving. That's why hands-free features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are so helpful when you want to open a message on the go. Let's see how to set up each of them in the 2023 Hyundai Sonata. All you have to do is enable Apple CarPlay by pressing Setup on your infotainment center, followed by Device Connections, press Phone Projection Settings, then Apple CarPlay, and check the Enabled Apple CarPlay box. For Android, follow the same steps except press Android Auto instead. Once you've connected your device to the 2023 Sonata using the USB port, accept any prompts to finish setting up Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Now you'll be able to send and receive texts, among many other things, via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Check out Apple CarPlay and Android Auto during your 2023 Hyundai Sonata test drive at Paramus Hyundai.